Our snow business has been in no business all season long. We're 14 inches below average in the snowfall department, and we're going to make up for that in a hurry. So let's get right into it. We're going to get a period of some sleet and freezing rain, and then a lull. And then snows are going to really ramp up from I-70 and points south, mainly Thursday afternoon. That's when we're in the teeth of this storm. Now, prior to getting there, tomorrow's the transition day. There will be snows laid down in north central Indiana. This is a 2-day total, essentially. This takes us through, essentially, Friday morning. This is how we figure the snows will be laid out. This is my update. I'm tightening up these bands in south central Indiana because we know that sleet and freezing rain will have an impact on the totals here. We still feel that as much as a half foot of snow could come down Bloomington, Columbus. Then the numbers really start ramping up as you get into, say, northern Johnson County, southern Marion County, northern Marion County north. This is where our 8 to 12 inch band is. It could literally be up to a foot of snow on the north side of Indianapolis, perhaps about 6 to 8 inches maybe on the south side. But you can see how this is getting tighter. And the north, look at that. The numbers, it's loaded with moisture, and the numbers are just so eye-catching. Over a foot to 18 inches of snow possible, and maybe even a bullseye of higher numbers in northwest central Indiana. This has the potential to be among the largest snowstorms on history. But now we're looking at, these are totals from top storms. Look at the blizzard of 78. That produced 15.5 inches of snow. The takeaway here, too, is that some of the strongest storms have occurred at this time of the year. Tonight, we're sitting in mild air. Look at these numbers. We might actually have a 50-degree high temperature tomorrow when we go underneath that winter storm warning. At least that's what it'll go into the books. We were able to pump up the temperatures. I promised you a week ago that we'd go from frigid to 50s. We even had a few 60-degree temperatures on the board this afternoon. Indianapolis reached 59. Now the clouds have reached us along with some rain showers, and they're going to increase in number throughout the night. Now already the colder air is surging into northeastern Illinois. The temperatures today, look at that. That is a April 1st high temperature at 59. We're 17 to 20 degrees warmer than we were 24 hours ago. But note, the numbers have dropped here in Kokomo and Lafayette. We've just got a surge of colder air and a north wind has developed. That front is ahead of schedule, and it's coming south throughout the night. So this cold rain is eventually going to turn into a mixture of sleet, freezing rain, then over to snow by daybreak as the Arctic front continues to press south. Look at the warnings. Several states, almost 24, are under a winter storm warning alone. Central Indiana under this warning, which is recommending that we're under the warning until, say, 1 a.m. Friday. I still feel that 7 a.m. Friday we're going to have considerable blowing and drifting snow, so the weather will still be a challenge starting as early as Wednesday afternoon through Thursday night into Friday morning. Hunker down. It's going to take a little while for this storm system to pass. See, the vast majority of the storms this year, they've come out of Canada. These are those fast-moving Alberta clippers, and they tend to be drier. These are the lows that scoop up the Gulf of Mexico moisture. This particular panhandle low will swing north and start to deliver some abundant amounts of juice here, which will be turned into frozen precipitation. It's complex. It's coming in pieces. Again, there's going to be a lull, but we still feel that north central Indiana could see the abundance of snowfall. High impact, extreme through north central Indiana. I essentially feel that we should not be traveling beyond, say, mid-Wednesday afternoon and evening. The snowfall amounts are going to be plentiful, but first we will certainly get ourselves some rainfall. And it will come as rain, then eventually as some freezing rain and sleet. So there will be some icing put down before we make the transition to snow. This is when it could already turn slick by late Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then the snows will arrive. Now tomorrow morning we start with a cold rain. It's already snowing up in Lafayette, and by noon, look at this. They could have upwards of 4 to 5 inches of snow in Tippecanoe County. We're still getting the cold rain here to fall, but eventually this rain snow line settles south, and by mid-afternoon to evening we're looking at sleet in Indianapolis and points south while it's still snowing in Lafayette and Kokomo. Then eventually all of this sags south and everyone starts to get into the frozen precipitation. Note the temperatures too. This is late Wednesday into Thursday morning. We're in the 20s, and then the main event surges north, and look at all the snow that's falling on Thursday. The numbers are going to be pretty hefty. Again, we're still expecting 8 to 12 inches of snow, highest total south, lesser to the north, lesser totals to the south, and just an incredibly complex storm system. But our temperatures stay at least above freezing throughout the night. We'll wake up to a cold rain in Indianapolis. Transition is underway through late morning to early afternoon as sleet develops, and by evening there may be some heavy snow at times, especially over north central Indiana. Heavy snow, the bulk of this storm system snow will fall on Thursday. Bitter cold follows, blowing and drifting Friday morning, and we wake up to temperatures Saturday morning at 5 degrees below zero. Wind chills could be as much as 25 below zero Saturday morning.